iron stove. So top, doors, flue collar is all going to be cast iron. Your interior firebox is also cast iron as well. Now, the firebox depth is a little bit shorter, but you can still easily get about an 8 to a 9 hour burn time out of this. If you were burning a combination of wood or coal, you could get a longer burn time out of it. So you do have a removable cook plate on the top. This would allow you to do wok style cooking if you wanted to drop the pan in directly for a direct flame. Located below, we do have an ash pan clean out. Interior is your baking oven. You do have 2 different levels that you can move your oven pan. Now it does just come with a single oven pan. You could purchase an additional oven rack if you wanted. Your oven clean out is located directly below the firebox here, and you do have a pan drawer as well. This model is available in multiple colors, and also this model is UL and ULC listed for North America, so that covers all the United States as well as Canada. We do have this model available in black, which is shown here. We have cream, we have green, we have red, we have burgundy, we have soapstone, and we have sandstone. So regardless of whatever color options you're looking for, we can definitely fit your needs. Now, what else is unique about this product is that you can actually change which side the flue is located on. So right here, we do have a right-hand flue when facing the front of the stove. Now, you could change this flue to be on the left-hand side. If you were to move the flue to the left-hand side, that would automatically move your firebox to the right-hand side of the stove when facing it, and move your baking oven to the left-hand side of the stove. So that's a nice option for venting because it's not a center flue. Now, what else is unique about this product is this is shown as a top vent, but this plate is removable, so you can do a top vent or a rear vent. And then you do have the towel rack that comes standard on the top of the stove. So this is nice. This basically provides you with any heat protection. If you were cooking and you bumped into the stove, you're not going to get burned. You can also use it as a towel rack as well. So this is Sarah with Obadiah's, and again, this is the MBS Magnum Wood Cookstove. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.